Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Teazers Double Rabbit Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Teazers Double Rabbit Vibrator itself. As you can see, it's a really fun, cheerful design and a beautiful pink colour as well. And you can enjoy triple the stimulation with this double rabbit vibrator. It provides anal and vaginal stimulation and also massages the clitoris, G-spot and perineum as well. It comes equipped with 10 different vibration settings, 3 vibration patterns and 7 speeds. It's made of a body-safe silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch. The clitoral stimulator has flexible ears for perfect stimulation. The shaft is flexible, and so are the anal beads as well. It's very simple and easy to operate. To turn on, press and hold down on the bottom button, and it's on. To activate the clitoral stimulator, it's the top button. And to change the patterns, you simply tap and choose your desired setting. Similar with the shaft, use the middle button and choose your desired setting. So you can really have lots of fun and triple the stimulation. To turn off, press and hold down, and it's now off. The toy is completely waterproof and is also really simple and easy to recharge. Using the magnetic USB charging cable provided, simply attach the two like so and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using the Double Rabbit Vibrator, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the Teazers Double Rabbit Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.